There we go. Okay. Who are you going to say hi to?
Hi.
Grandma and Grandpa.
Hi, Grandpa.
Hi, Grandma.
Hi, Grandma.
Who are you, Pearly?
I'm
What are you? What's your costume?
right here.
What is it? Princess? Is it a witch princess? Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you have makeup on? Pearly, show me your sparkles. Are you pretty? Okay. There's Bubba. Who are you, Bubba?
Baba?
Who are you? Who's your costume?
No.
Hey, who's your costume?
Batman?
Batman.
Wonderful.
Say, tell him bye. Say bye, guys. Say, who's your best friend, Pearl?
Tristan.
Yeah? Who's Bubba's best friend?
Caleb.
Caleb. Bye, Tristan. Bye, Caleb.
Bye, Tristan.
Are you ready to go trick-or-treating?
Yeah.
Trick-or-treating at Grandma's house? Oh, that's a long way away. We're going to use the car.